Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Let's understand today's lead code daily challenge problem. The problem name is food into the basket. So the problem states that you are given an array and foods I is the type of the food in it produces, and you have only two baskets, and in each basket you can hold a single type of food, and you need to like find out the return maximum number of foods you can pick. So basically the problem states that you have a two basket and you need to you can get only two type of foods in your basket, and you need to find out the maximum number of foods you can pick. So in the one example like 0 1 2 2. So if you pick 1 2 2, so this is the there you can pick one type and type 2 type food, and the maximum length is 3, so your answer is 3. But if you pick 0 then 1, then you cannot pick 2 because 0 1 is that you have already put two type of food in your basket, so you need to find out the maximum. So in that case the maximum is 1 2 2 2. Another you can take 1 2 3 2 2. So here you can pick 2 3 2 2 2, so the answer is 4. But if you pick 1, in that case you can only pick 1 and 2, but we need to find out the maximum, so the maximum is 4. So the problem basically implies that you need to find out the length of the maximum subarray with at most two distinct element. So this could the simplifies way you can think. And so how can you solve this problem? So if I take another example like 3 3 3 1 2 1 1 2 3 3 4. So the problem basically implies that you need to find out the length of the maximum subarray with at most maximum distinct element is 2. So if we start we'll use two pointer algorithm here, I and j, and j minus I will be our length of the maximum length of the subarray, and we will start to initialize I equal to 0 and j equal to 0, and we'll create a hash map and put the element and their frequency. So in the hash map at first I will put 3, then again 3, again we will put 3 here, 3 in the hash map, and then I'll put 1 as well. So in that case that the maximum we are getting the j minus I plus 1 basically. So 3 minus I is 0 plus 1 is 4. So at that position we are getting 4, answer as a 4. Now whenever we 2 getting the, we are seeing that this is the one type of food, this is the another type of food, and whenever we getting 2, so that's mean the hash map size length hash map size will be greater than 2. In that case we will removing the element from the first, so I will remove that, but it will not decrease the hash map size size 2. So I will again remove that. This one also I remove. After removing that we can see that the distinct element is 2, and the ith index as of now 0 1 2 3, ith index as of now 3. So we again iterating, then j, we will increase j here because in that position we are also getting the two distinct element 1 and 2. Again here again increase the j by 2. So in that position I is, so the here is the I and here is the j. So in that case that we are getting the 5 distinct elements, so we increase the size length maximum subarray by 5. And whenever we get again getting 3, so that time we need to remove the element from the ith. because we are getting 3 distinct elements, but that should not be our should not be satisfy our condition. So I will again increase the removing the I and increase the ith value. But after removing that as well, the distinct element, you can see again it is 3, so we'll again removing the 2 as well. So if we remove 2, but in that case also we are getting the 3 distinct element 1, 2 and 3, so we'll again removing I 1, again removing 1. After that the I will be here and j will be here as of now. So in that position we will getting 2 distinct element 2 and 3, and again we will increase the 3. So in that position the we are getting 2 distinct element, but the length size is 3, but we are already get the maximum length as a 5. Again we increase the jth value by 4, but in that time we can say that the I value is we are getting 3 distinct elements, so we need to again removing the 2. If we remove the 2, we are getting 2 distinct element 3 and 4, but length is as of now 3, but we are getting the maximum length as a still 5. So I will again increase the j, but j is the maximum length we have received already, so we'll end the loop for loop here and we'll return the maximum we are getting. So answer is 5. So answer is basically from 1 to this 2, 1 to 1 1 2. So this is like sliding window algorithm, and I will write down the Java solution in the comment section, so you can check it out. Thank you.